Hi, we're going over filter function for Office 365. This function allows you to filter a range of data based on the criteria you define. The following examples shows how easy it is to create filter function. Let's say we're trying to look for country of France. So equal sign, filter. As you can see, the syntax for filter reads array, include, and if empty. Array is what we're trying to get back as our data. Include is our criteria, and if there's no record, we give some messages. So for array, we go through entire our array in this case, which is from A2 to J59, comma. Our include is, what is it that I'm looking for? I'm looking for country, in this case B2 to B59. And what is my criteria? I'm looking for country of France. So for this column that I'm looking for should be equal to country of France. In this case, I wrote it down in a M2, so I just say M2, comma, not found, close parentheses. And as you can see, fairly quickly, it found all the records pertaining to country of France. Now let's change our product. Let's say we're only looking for country of France, and we are looking for product VTT. So we go back to our formula. We're going to make it a little bit more complicated. Therefore, we're going to encompass this one with parentheses and star, open parentheses. I'm looking for a product, so the product is a column C, so I just say C2 to C59 should equal to, in this case, VTT, which is N2, close parentheses, enter. So all the VTTs will show up right in this case. Let's say we're making it a little bit more complicated. We want all the unit costs to be greater than 5. So we go back to our formula. We will add to it. So star unit cost. So we're looking for column D in this case, D2 colon D59. At this time, we want it to be greater than our value, which in this case, let's say greater than 5. So enter. Of course, we got greater than 5. As you notice, I entered the value greater than 5. If I change that one 5, and I go back to this, and I change this value to 02, would be the same thing. Okay. If I want the value to be changed to be greater than, let's say, 60, I will get only one record. If I change the value greater than 3, I should have 3 values on this one. Let's say we are also interested not only for country of France, we also country of Canada. Now let's make this one a little bit more complicated. Go back to our formula. This time we don't care about our product, but we're caring about country of France and country of Canada. All right. Edit our formula a little bit. Instead of asterisks In this case, we say plus, open parentheses, same column again, B2 to B59, and this time it's equal to country of Canada, close parentheses, enter. And as you can see, we'll get everything for Canada and France. I hope you like this function, and as you can see, it is very powerful. It allows you to do many things. Thank you.